Hello students, welcome to BTech 360. The MHCT examination was just conducted and the results were announced also. And a lot of students reach out to us to understand at the rank that they're likely to get, what is the kind of branch and college that they would be getting based on last year's data. And what we're compiling here is from 1 to 30,000 in three batches of 1 to 10,000, 10 to 20,000 and 20,000 to 30,000, the ranks and what are the branches and college combinations that you can get between these rank ranges. And before I start further, three requests that I always have for you. One, please do subscribe to BTech 360. Two, if you want me to cover any other college or any other issue that you have, please write to me in the message box. We'll try to pick it up. For this particular series, we partnered with University of Bristol, which is actually setting up a campus in Mumbai. The University of Bristol was established in 1876 in UK, London. And after that, they now are setting up a campus in Mumbai, which is approved by UGC, which is Universities Grants Commission, and the Government of India. They're giving a degree which is UGC approved in India, while this degree is also globally reputable because wherever you go in the world, this becomes a degree that it's very, very valid. So they're setting up a campus in Mumbai, and we partnered with them to ensure that the students take the right information, right decision based on data and information. And thank you so much, University of Bristol, for partnering with us in this endeavor. Now about MHCT, and we talked of 1 to 30,000. What we'll do at this point in time is the 1 to 10,000 range is what I'll tell you, and that's how we'll take it because there are a lot of colleges and I want to cover it as much as I can. And besides that, one of the things that we are also doing is we are also creating an online webinar once the results are announced. Once the results are announced, then you will have the score and rank in your hand. Please do and register for the webinar. The link is in the comment section. The first comment is the link that you have, where you can register for the webinar and you can ask questions personally to any of our counselors. The idea for us, the objective for us is to ensure that you get into the best college possible based on your score and rank. And for that, we'll do everything possible. Please do register for the webinar. And people who are registering here are also getting a lot of free perks in terms of a lot of colleges are now willing to give it to our students, free application processes and all. You can also avail those services also if you have to register for the webinar. Now, the thing about MHCT. The MHCT, this year, the number of students who've taken the test is about 7.65 lakh students rather registered for the examination, and 7.05 lakh students actually took the examination. But the important thing for you, for students who are looking for BTech, is this 4.22 lakh students who are PCM students. Appeared candidates PCM, because others are PCB and all, because the 7.05 lakh is engineering, pharma, agriculture and planning. Whereas we are only considered PCM, which is engineering, that's 4.22 lakh. So essentially what is happening is, for the engineering seats, we are dealing with a 4.22 lakh students who is the competition for us. And these 4.22 lakh students will compete for all the seats that are being given out based on the MHCT score in the state of Maharashtra. For example, the Allied Sciences is 2.82 lakh students is what the Life and Allied Sciences is all about. 4.22 is what we're working on at this point in time. Now, the data that we're collecting is, as I told you, 1 to 10,000 rank is what we're working on. And we'll give you in hierarchical order how it's going to work. We'll talk of the college name, the branch, because the college and the branch is one option for you. The college and the branch is one option. So there can be one college and 10 branches, and there can be one branch with 100, many colleges. But we'll talk up to the rank 10,000 only at this point in time, right? So we'll have the college name, the branch, the highest closing cutoff in the open category, highest closing cutoff in the open category for the 2025 cutoffs. We talk of last year's data. Now, what happens is every time a new branch comes out or a new branch is added by the good colleges, then to that extent the cutoff also eases off, because for example something is coming to a 5,025, it might come at 5,400 also in the coming year, because the number of seats have been increased in good colleges and good branches where there is high demand. So that also you must keep it in mind when you're dealing with this thing, right? So we'll talk of the name of the college, the branch, that becomes one choice. The college and the branch becomes one choice for you, which is what you do in the counseling rounds also, mind you. The highest closing rank in the open category, OBC category, SC category, SCBC category and ST category. So all this data we'll have. I'll read out as much as I can, but at some point in time I'll start reading out only the open category, and you can actually take a screenshot for the other categories also. Now let's start off. The first one is VJTI, which is Veermata Jijabai Technology Institute, which is the most in-demand college in the state of Maharashtra through MHCT or otherwise also, right? But their only admission process through MHCT, they don't have any other quota, by the way. Now here BTech Computer Engineering, the highest closing rank is 119. At 119 in the open category, candidate. OBC is 789, SC is 4363, SCBC is 643, and ST is 17574. Then comes COEP, which is in Pune. BTech AI and Machine Learning, 589 is in the open category. OBC is 994, SC is 6305, SCBC is 841, and ST is 15757. Then you have BJT again coming in with BTech Information Technology at 620 rank and 814 for OBC. Then COEP again comes in with BTech Computer Science Engineering at 913 high. We talk of open category, highest closing rank based on 2025 last year, right? Then you have ICT Mumbai coming in instead of chemical technology, where they offer BTech in pharmaceutical chemistry and technology at 1049. Now, ICT is very much in demand because it's one of the best institutes that we have in the country as far as chemical technology is concerned. Then you have SPIT, which is Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, Mumbai, BTech CSC at 1134. Then you have SCTR's Pune Institute of Computer Technology, BE Computer Engineering at 1151. Then you have SPIT again coming in with BE Computer Engineering at 1204. Right. Now, SPIT, if you see, we start with BTech Computer Science and Engineering, and then we talk of BE Computer Engineering. Right. Now, by the way, remember, we removed everything extranumerary so that there is a linear data sets that you can see. So, we talking of gender male. So, because the girls extranumerary we had to remove, and we are talking of no physical disability. If you want that data also, please use the MSCT college predictor that is there on Career 60. It will give you all information. Then comes VJT again with BTech Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering at 1222. OBC is 1445. Then comes COEP with BTech Electronics and so you actually are exhausted with CSE and all in the top colleges. Then within the top college, you start getting into Electronics and Telecommunication at 1332. Then comes VJT again with BTech Electronic Engineering at 1374. Then SCTR's Pune Institute of Computer Technology, BE Art of AI and Data Science at 1430. So, people choose Electronics and Communications or Electronics and Telecommunications with COEP or BJTI before they come down to any other thing, even in CSC in the other colleges. Which means they rather prefer to study at BJTI and COEP before they move to anything else. Then SCTR's Pune Institute of Technology at 1430. SCTR's Pune again, BIT at 1686. SCTR's Pune Institute of Computer Technology, BE Electronics and Computer Engineering at 1799. BJTA comes in again with Electrical Engineering at 1873. ICT comes in with BE Chemical Engineering at 1905. And you also have the category ranks here. Then you actually have COEP Technology University, BTech Electrical Engineering at 2016. Then COEP, BTech Instrumentation and Control Engineering at 2116. Dwarkadas J. Sangvi College of Engineering, Mumbai, CE at 2130. SPIT with BE Electronics and Telecommunications at 2226. COEP Technology University, Pune, BTech Mechanical at 2281. BJTA comes in with now Mechanical at 2350. ICT Mumbai comes in with BTech Food Engineering and Technology at 2426. Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli, BTech Computer Science Engineering at 2509. And you also have the category ranks, please note down if you want to. Then we move further to SCTR's Pune Institute of Computer Technology, Pune, for BE Electronics and Telecommunication at 2849. OBC being 3143. Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli, BTech Information Technology at 3055. Dwarkadas J. Sangvi College of Engineering, Mumbai, BIT at 3159. Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli, BTech AI and Machine Learning at 3168. COEP Technology University, Pune, BTech Manufacturing Science and Engineering at 3324. Dwarkadas J. Sangvi College of Engineering, Mumbai, BTech Data Science with AI at 3235. Sardar Patel College of Engineering, Mumbai, BTech Mechanical at 3443. Dwarkadas J. Sangvi College of Engineering, Mumbai, BS Data Science at 3663. And you also have the category ranks. You can actually take a screenshot if you are into that space. Right. Then you have again Dwarkadas coming in at for BTech AI and Machine Learning at 3760. Again Dwarkadas for BTech in IoT and Cybersecurity with Blockchain Technology at 3877. Then you have Vishwakarma coming in for BTech Computer Engineering at 4095. Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli, BTech Electronic Engineering at 4498. COEP comes in here with Civil Engineering at 4694. SPIT comes in with Electrical Engineering at 4754. ICT Mumbai comes in with BTech Polymer Engineering and Technology at 4871. Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, BIT at 5176. Then you have Veermata Jijabai VJTI coming in again with Civil Engineering. First COP comes in, then comes VJTI in this case. It's a reverse at 5245, OBC 6294. Dwarka comes in with B electronics and telecommunication at 5277. Pimpri Chinchwad at B AI and machine learning at 5340. OBC is 5850, SC is 20,827, SCBC is 7303, and ST is 67473. Then you have Dadomal Shahani Engineering College, Mumbai, B Computer Engineering at 5444. COP comes in with BTech Metallurgy and Materials Technology at 5522. Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, BTech Information Technology at 5563. Vishwakarma again at BTech Computer Science Engineering with AI and Machine Learning at 5644. Right, so IT is more preferred than this, but that might be an odd thing that might have happened. One odd student would have gone there. Then BJTech comes in with BTech Production Engineering Sandwich at 5890. Then you have Vivekananda Education Societies, Institute of Technology in Chembur, BE Computer Science Engineering at 6074. Walchand College comes in with BTech Robotics Automation. This is a very good program, by the way. Anyone who's offering it, take that. 6086. Walchand College again comes in with BTech Electrical at 6102. Pimpri Chinchwad comes in with BEC Computer Engineering at 6321. Walchand again BTech Mechanical at 6324. ICT Mumbai again comes in with BTech Oils and Oleochemical Surfactants Technology at 6380. Dadomal Shahani Engineering College Mumbai, BE Information Technology at 6432. And Vishwakarma Institute of Technology Pune, BTech CSC with AI at 6592. Then you have Dadomal Shahani again coming in for the BE AI and Data Science at 6917. Vishwakarma comes in with BTech AI and Data Science at 6923. Lakshminarayan Innovation Technology University Nagpur, BTech Food Technology at 7011. Vishwakarma Institute of Technology Pune, BTech CSC with Data Science at 7216. Vishwakarma BTech CSC Computer Engineering, Software Engineering at 7436. ICT Mumbai comes in with BTech Surface Creating Technology at 7730. Dwarka Sangvi College of Engineering, BTech BE Mechanical at 7734. And Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, BTech Computer Science and Engineering, Internet of Things and Cybersecurity, including Blockchain at 7867. And then you have DY Patil College of Engineering, BE Computer Engineering at 7906. Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, BE Electronics and Telecommunications at 8061. Dadomal Shahani Engineering College, Mumbai, BE Electronics and Telecommunications at 8085. Sardar Patel College of Engineering, BTech Civil Engineering at 8284. Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, BTech Electronics and Telecommunications at 8380. Vivekananda Education Societies, Institute of Technology, Chembur, BE Information Technology at 8474. Father Conchacio Rodriguez College of Engineering, Mumbai, BE CSC at 8519. Vivekananda Education Societies, Institute of Technology, Chembur, BE AI and Data Science at 8531. You also have the category ranks here. Please take a screenshot if you wish to. Then moving further, ICT Mumbai comes in with BTech Dye-Stuff Technology at 8539. Rodriguez College of Engineering, Mumbai, BE Computer Engineering at 8565. Walchand College comes in with Civil Engineering now at 8760. PVG's College of Engineering and Technology and GK Patil Vani Institute of Management, Pune, BCE Computer Engineering at 8887. Government College of Engineering, Karad, BTech Information Technology at 9098. DY Patil comes in with 9173 for Information Technology. Vidyalankar comes in with BE Computer Engineering now at 9621. DY Patil comes in with AI and Data Science at 9753. And then Vivekananda Education Society comes in with BE Electronics and Computer Science at 9763. And Government College of Engineering, Amravati, BTech Computer Science Engineering at 10,017. This is the top 10,000 ranks. So we actually have about 82 choices and options which exhausted the top 10,000 ranks. Across categories, you can actually see the category ranks also beyond the point. But in the open category, if you are anything above 10,000 rank, anything rather below 10,000 rank, you are likely to get into any of these choices next year. Please again understand that there would be some new capacity that will be created. So the 4-5% new capacity that will be created will ensure that you will also have a better chance the next year as compared to the current year, because the new branches are being added in the good colleges as you move along. If you want me to cover anything else, please feel free to write to us in the message box, and we'll be happy to do that. And more importantly, please do register for the webinar if you want to actually talk to a counselor one-to-one, because that might be very important for you to take the most important decision of your life. And I must again thank the University of Bristol for supporting us in this endeavor. Thank you so much.